Castor oil can be applied to the chest if there's a condition of scarring in the chest. Castor oil can be applied to the abdomen for constipation, to the abdomen for irritable bowel, to the abdomen to break up fibroids, to the abdomen to break up cysts, to the abdomen to break up those little pockets from endometriosis. Also, diverticulitis in the colon, the castor oil compresses can help to break that up. It can be applied to the liver for any liver problems. It'll help to break up gallstones. It can also be applied at the back to the kidneys to help break up kidney stones. There's so many places that castor oil can be used. It's quite a remarkable herb. It penetrates deeper than any other oil. It'll penetrate through bone.